Hi, this is Sanjay Dighe. I'm from Nasik. I'm authorized Canon channel partner, which is dealing in office automation product. Entrepreneur Synergy Excellence Program had transformed my belief of hard work in business into a smart work, which in turn helping me to scale the business further. My savings account is getting transformed into investment accounts. Business decisions are very loud and clear. The main advantage of this course is the enhancement in personal integrity and relationship, which is the foundations of achieving goals in everyone's life.
After a huge success of E3 at Nasik, for the first time ever, ENG Innovative Education expanding its wing of empowering people and making India an entrepreneur's capital of the world. Let's strengthen the financial abundance of our loved ones by calling them for E3's free orientation program.